driving in Uzbekistan off the top of your head? Do you have any?
Well, I have some jokes about taxi here, like I told you, about seatbelts. Like every time when you sit in a taxi, and sometime a driver just told you, "Oh, bro, you can not fasten your seatbelt." And for me, it sounds like, have you seen yourself? Do you think somebody would regret if you crashed? Yeah, and once one taxi driver like being arguing with me, like, bro, don't fasten seatbelt. It's like banned to fasten seatbelt. And I was like, okay, if I fasten it, I believe he would crash, like just to prove me.
Yeah.
Yeah, and like I believe that it's very important to fasten seatbelt. It's very important to protect yourself because because driving in the car is not sex. Like you cannot eject in the last second.